How to connect Steelseries Arctis Nova 7 to PC. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Steelseries Arctis Nova 7 headset to your PC in 3 different ways: wireless, Bluetooth, and wired. Whether you're gaming or just listening to music, I'll show you the quickest and most effective methods. Let's get started. Step-by-step tutorial. Option 1. Wireless connection. Best for gaming. Plug the wireless USB-C dongle into your PC. If needed, use the included USB-A adapter. Turn on your headset by pressing the power button until the LED lights up. The headset should automatically connect. You will hear a confirmation tone. Go to your PC sound settings. Set the output to Arctis Nova 7 Gaming. Set the input to Arctis Nova 7 Chat. Option 2. Bluetooth connection. Great for calls or casual use. Hold the Bluetooth button on your headset until it starts flashing blue. On your PC, open Bluetooth settings, add a device, and Bluetooth. Select Arctis Nova 7 from the list and wait for connect. Option 3. Wired connection. Use a 3.5mm audio cable to connect the headset to your PC's headphone. This works great if the battery is low or for devices without USB or Bluetooth. Quick troubleshooting tips. No sound? Make sure the correct device is selected in sound settings. Microphone not working? Check privacy settings, microphone access on Windows. Still having issues? Try reconnecting dongle or restarting your PC. And that's it. This was a quick tutorial on how to connect your Steelseries Arctis Nova 7 headset to your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.